ॐ वक्रतुण्ड महाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात् कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अभ्यासः 79। आकारान्त ईकारान्त स्त्रीलिंग शब्दानां द्वितीया विभक्तिः। द्वितीया विभक्ति means that must be a कर्मकारका। कर्मकारकस्य द्वितीया विभक्तिः। From here we have to read. उदाहरणानुसारं रिक्तस्थानानि पूरयन्तु। यथा अध्यापिका within bracket बालिका। बालिका is the कर्मकारका. Depending on the linga and ending letter antyavarna, you have to use appropriate form. Ekavachanam by default. So adhyapika balikam akhrayati. Within bracket, if it is given bahuvachanam, then accordingly bahuvachanam. Okay. Akhrayati means calling. Khvayati akhvayati. Akhvayati akhvayataha akhvayanti. Adhyapika balikam akhvayati. Okay. Can read this. Yeah. Sonalaji, you start.
अध्यापिका बालिका बालिकाम् आह्वयति। बालिका अध्यापिका, so it becomes अध्यापिकाम् आह्वयति.
Yes.
अग्रजः अनुजा.
Same kriyapadam akhvayati.
Ahvayati. So it's
So be familiar with akhvayati. Akhvayati means calling, inviting. So akhvayati. Yeah.
Anujam ahvayati. Anujaha agraja. So it's agrajam ahvayati. Janakaha kanyam ahvayati. Swamini sevikam ahvayati. Rugnaha vaidyam ahvayati. Rugnaha means unwell person.
Yes, sick person.
Vaidyaha rugnam ahvayati.
Yes. So akaranta trilinga shabdanam dvitiya vibhaktihi. And karta is in all the sentence adhyapika, balika, agrajaha, anujaha, janakaha, swamini, rugnaha, vaidyaha. Karta will be in pratama. Karma will be in dvitiya. So in karmani, in kartari prayoga, not karmani. Okay. So by default, kartari prayoga. Karta pratama, karma dvitiya. So to use these words, therefore, we have to know the shabdas. We have to know all the akaranta, akaranta, pullinga, strilinga, ikaranta, all the shabdas. That is why we give importance to shabdas. Shabda and kriya padam. Nouns and noun forms and verbal forms. These two are important. The same noun forms sometimes play a role of a visheshana. So in a sentence, what you will see? One kriya padam will be there, and there will be noun forms, which can begin pratama. If it is pratama, then karta. Then dvitiya, tritiya, all will be noun forms. Chaturthi, panchami, depending on what karka and other vibhakti, upapada vibhakti. Okay, so therefore only we are learning all the shabdas, different anta shabda, and even kardanta sometimes play the role of a adverb also, adjective also. In addition to kriya padam, it can replace the kriya padam. It plays the role of a verb, but also as an adjective to the noun in the sentence, whatever in the vibhakti it may be. So that is why the forms are important. So all these basic shabda forms you should know by heart. Other shabdas, that's what we are learning, the rules, the other classes. Now, next one. So akaranta is, we saw now ikaranta. Prakashji, please read.
बालिका जननीं पश्यति, बालकः प्रदर्शनीं पश्यति, प्रदर्शनीं.
Just see whether you understand the meaning of the words. Pashyati seeing. Balika, girl.
Balakah, boy.
Oh, okay. What is Pradashani?
Pradashani.
TV?
Sorry?
TV?
Exhibition.
No. Exhibition. It is. Not TV. TV is Dura Darshanam. Pradashani is exhibition. So Balakaha Pradashanim Srilinga. Pashyati. Yes.
Prekshakah Abhinetrim Pashyati.
What is that?
Abhinetri, dance.
Abhinetri, actor. Actress.
Actress.
Who is Preshakaha? Audience. That is from the Dhatu. Iksh. Atmanepadi Dhatu. Iksh. Ikshate. Ikshete. Ikshante. Like Labate. Dhatu is Iksh Dhatu. So Atmanepadi Dhatu. So how do you decline? Ikshate, Ikshete, Ikshante. With the pra is upasarga. So pra plus prekshate. Pra plus e. But here it is not the verb, it is a noun. From the dhatu, a noun is derived by adding a pratyaya, a null pratyaya. Don't worry about that. So prekshakaha means audience. Darshakaha. Okay. Yes, please read.
Nataha, Natim Pashyati.
Nataha is?
One who dances? Not yet.
Nataha is actor.
Actor.
Nati is actress, same as Abhinetri.
Nataha
is Abhineta. Abhinetri Shabda. Abhineta, Abhinetaro, Abhinetaraha. Nataha is actor. Nati is actress. Another word. Abhineta, Nataha. Abhinetri, Nati. The sentence would be?
Nataha Natim Pashyati.
Yes.
Grihini Bhikshukim Pashyati. Grihini, housewife.
Yeah.
Bhikshukim, one who take alms.
Yeah, that is female. Bhikshukaha Pullinga. Bhikshuki Strilinga. Bhikshukaha, Bhikshuka Rama Shabdavata. Bhikshuki Strilinga Ikaranta Nadi Shabdavata. Okay.
Yachakaha Grihinim Pashyati. One who begs, beggar. Grihinim, housewife, he sees. Bhaktaha Devim Pashyati. The devotee sees the goddess.
Bhakta, Kartakaraka, Devi, Karmakaraka. Kriya is Drish, Drishdarshanam, Drish Dhatu. Kartari Priyaha, therefore Bhaktaha. And Karma is Devi, becomes Dvitiya Devi. And Latlakara, therefore Pashyati. The same sentence you can take in your leisure, you practice different lakaras. Bhaktaha Devim Pashyati, Bhaktaha Devim Apashyat, Bhaktaha Devim Pashyatu, Bhaktaha Devim Pashyet. All the forms. And you can do Bhagavachanam also. Bhaktaha Devim Pashyanti. Bhaktaha Devim Apashyan. Bhaktaha Devim Pashyantu. Bhaktaha Devim Pashyeyuhu. All this we know. Now, Kutra Gachanti. When you ask Kutra for going, the answer will be in Karmakaraka, it will be in Dvitiya Vibhakti. Note, Gamanakriya, movement. The movement is a moving action is undertaken to reach a place, a destination. That would be Karmakaraka. Therefore, Kutra Gacchati, Gachanti. The place of reach, destination is karma, it will be Dvitiya Bhakti. Okay. The next person can read. Prashnaha, questions. Uttarani, answers. So, Prashnaha, Pullinga Shabda. This is also just by the ending and all you can learn. Prashnaha, Prashno, Prashnaha. Uttaram, Uttare, Uttarani. Uttarani answers. Answered, Napumsakalinga word. Okay. Shambhaviji. Samyak Patantu. Please read.
Balakaha kutra gachanti Vidyalayam.
You answered completely.
Okay. Balakaha Vidyalayam gachanti. Archakaha kutra gachanti. Archakaha mandiram gachanti. Vikrayikaha kutra gachanti. Vikrayikaha apanam gachanti.
Vikrayikaha means
is salesperson. Salesperson?
Vikra is selling. Yes. Sales person. Yeah. Bhagavachanam.
Okay.
They go to the market.
Apanam is?
Market.
Okay. Acharyaha kutra gachanti.
Apanam is shop. Okay.
Ashramam gachanti.
Apanam is a shop.
Shop.
Okay. Vipani is market. Okay.
Simhaha kutra gachanti. Simhaha vanam gachanti. Krishakaha kutra gachanti. Krishakaha gramam gachanti. Adhyapakaha kutra gachanti. Adhyapakaha pustakalayam gachanti. Vaidyaha kutra gachanti. Vaidyaha chikitsalayam gachanti. Grihinyaha kutra gachanti. Grihinyaha udyanam gachanti. Chhatraha kutra gachanti. Chhatraha kridanganam gachanti.
I think you know the meaning of all the nouns.
Udyanam.
Garden.
Oh.
Otherwise, Upavanam. That also means garden. Udyanam or Upavanam. Kridanganam, playground. Okay. So compare with the previous one. Previous one, Pashyati. Any other Pashyati for which the object of seeing is Karma, Dvitiya Bhakti. Here, going. So therefore, all the places are the Vidyalaya, Mandira, Apana, Ashrama. These are the places of reach, destination. And the Gamdhatu, for the Gamdhatu, the place where the Karta goes. See, the Karta undertakes the movement of travel, moving to reach a particular place, destination. Then only his Gamanam is complete. So therefore, the Sutram is there. Kartuhu ipsitamam karma. A person undertakes an action and that is most desired. Something is most desired, therefore an action is undertaken. So here most desired is a place. So therefore that is karma. So Ganeshaha modakam kadati. So Modaka is most not just because it is sweet, is most desired. Kadati, the Kadana Kriya, why he eats? Because something is desired or hunger is there to fulfill. Therefore, a food is if required, and therefore that it is taken, therefore that becomes the object. Kartu, a karta performs an action, it is performs an action, so that must be propelled by something to propelled by desire to gain something. To gain something, the gaining need not be a physical object. So here the gaining is chikitsalayam, pustakalaya. That is called karma, because that is the movement action is completed reaching that place. So that is the ipsijatamam, most desired. Therefore it is karma. Okay, this doubt may come. How can the place of reach be by karma? It is karma. By the sutram is there. By sutram it takes karma sanya. We don't have this problem in case of other kriya. Parishyati or kadati. Other sakarma kadatu, we don't have this doubt. But in gamana kriya, we may have this doubt. That is why I said, Ipsita tamam karma, most desired. Ipsa, desire. Ipsita tamam, that which is most desired for a karta. What is most desired for a karta? If it is an object of eating, that is desired. And here pashyati, the object of seeing, is most desired for the karta. Therefore he sees. And here the most desired is the place where he wants to reach. Therefore it's karma, logically. Understand, right? Understand?
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
Ranjit.
That's why it is karma sanya. Okay, next one. Okay, this is already done. Previous one. Now, kutra. Okay, gachati. Yes, same thing. Uttaranugunam rekhankitam amsham ashritya prashnan likhantu. Now you have to write. Right question. Ramaha kutra gachati, Ramaha aranyam gachati. So answer is given. Ramaha aranyam gachati. You have to say. You have to ask. Kutra gachati. What question you will ask? Kutra. Okay. So kutra, even though kutra is aviya, the uttaram expected is karma sanya. Because gamana kriya is there. Therefore, the place of destination is karma, and that is the answer for the kutra. Because the place, therefore, the question should be kutra. Unlike in the other kriya, you cannot ask kutra. Bhaktaha devim pashyati. Bhaktaha kutra pashyati, you cannot ask. You can ask, that is meaning is that's valid. But here, Bhaktaha kam pashyati, you can ask. Bhaktaha devim pashyati, answer would be. Bhaktaha kutra pashyati, question is valid, but not here. Bhaktaha kutrachita pashyati, somewhere he is. But here they are seeing is, the object is Devi. So Bhaktaha question should be kam pashyati. Whereas here we cannot have gachati, we cannot have balakaha kam gachanti, you cannot ask. Archakaha kam gachanti, you cannot ask. You understand?
Yes.
You have to ask only kutra. That is what he is making you familiar with by these exercises. You follow what I'm saying?
Yes.
Yes, Ranjit.
Okay. You can read now, Savitriji.
Yeah.
Putram you read first and then Prashna.
Balakah Vidyalayam gachati. Balakah kutra gachati. Aham nagaram gachami. Aham kutra gachami.
In this question you have to ask yourself. Aham kutra gachami. So if somebody asks you, suppose if I ask you, Bhavati kutra gachati.
Tvam kutra gachasi. If I
Yes, Tvam kutra gachasi. Or with respect, Bhavati kutra gachati. Answer would be Aham nagaram gachami. Okay.
Vayam apanam gachamaha. यूयं कुत्र गच्छामः? सा
यूयं
कुत्र गच्छामः?
यूयं
इवां यूयं నుండి no?
यूयं कुत्र गच्छामः? Really? Think and say.
Sorry,
Oh.
vayam. I thought it's like
Gachavaha.
sorry. Sorry. Vayam, yeah.
If you say यूयं,
I must-
यूयं
you
कुत्र
all there are-
गच्छथ.
Ah,
Okay.
yeah.
You cannot say यूयं कुत्र
yes.
गच्छामः.
Yes,
Gaccha.
yes. यूयं कुत्र गच्छथ? Yes. वयम् आपणं गच्छामः. सा कुत्र गच्छति? सा ग्रन्थालयं गच्छति. Sorry, I read it other way around. आवां देवालयं गच्छावः. युवां कुत्र गच्छतः?
गच्छतः. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Yeah.
कृषकाः क्षेत्राणि गच्छन्ति. कृषकाः कुत्र गच्छन्ति? गृहिण्यः विपणिं गच्छन्ति. गृहिण्यः कुत्र गच्छन्ति?
Vipani is ikaranta shabda like mati. Vipani, market. Not like mati. Hari shabda. I think it's pullinga. Okay.
वयम् आश्रमं गच्छामः. यूयं कुत्र गच्छथ? ताः
Vipani is reading a shabda. Okay. So what he said was correct. Mati.
ताः महिला मण्डलिनी ताः महिला मण्डलिनीं गच्छन्ति.
Mandalim, not mandalini, mandal.
मण्डलीं. Okay. महिला
Mahila mandali. Mandali means society.
Ladies club.
Ladies. Club, yes.
ताः महिला मण्डलीं गच्छन्ति. ताः कुत्र गच्छन्ति? अहं कुत्रापि न गच्छामि. त्वं कुत्र गच्छसि?
Yes. Then the answer is aham kutrapi na gacchami. I am not going anywhere. Okay. Abhyasaha 81. Trishu lingeshu dvitiyayaha ekavachanasya mishutaha prayogaha. You can understand all the three lingas mixed up in dvitiya vibhakti ekavachanam. Dhatu pat dhatu na saha with pat dhatu. It will be difficult to read. You have to tilt your head and read. Can you? Think you can. Why not?
Yeah.
You can read Sonaliji. 1 to 5 you read. 5 to 6 to 10 another person. 11 to 15 another one, and 16 to 18. Yeah.
1, 5. Okay. Sharanji, can you scroll down a little more so I can read? Is it Eshaha?
Yeah.
Eshaha Shlokaha.
Dhatu is given. Patati, patataha,
Okay.
patanti, patasi,
Okay.
patataha, patata.
Eshaha Shlokaha Pathati. Etau.
Okay. No. Shlokam patati you have to say. Shloka within bracket. It is object.
Oh, right. Okay, yes. Eshaha Shlokam Pathati. Etau Patham Pathatah. Ete Mantram Patanti.
Yes.
Esha Geetam Pathati. Then Ete Balike Kavitam Ete. So Pathatah.
Yes. Prakash. 6 to 10.
एताः सङ्गीतविद्यां पठन्ति. सः कौमुदीं पठति. तौ अष्टाध्यायी पठतः.
Ashtadhyayi is what is the karma?
अध्यायीं
Yeah.
ते
Kadambari.
Kadambarim patanti. Sa natakam sa natakam patasi.
Why is patasi? Sa is what's the confusion?
Patati. Sa.
Shambhaviji.
Yes. Te kavyam patatah taha
Yeah,
ramaya.
it's your choice. The previous day you said patanti is now you say patataha, your choice. Te is where it can be either Pullinga Bhagavachanam or Srilinga or Nampunsakalinga Dvivachanam. So, okay.
Yes. Taha Ramayanam pathanti Tvam Grantham patatah
Tvam
Yuvam.
Grantham Patataha.
Sorry.
What Shambhaviji?
Tvam Grantham patasi Yuvam Vishayam patatah Yuyam Adhyayam patatha Adhyayam patatha Aham Nirdeshah patami
Nirdesham.
Aham Nirdesham patami Avam Katham patavah Vayam Sanskritam patamaha.
Yes. Trishulingeshu Dvitiyayaha Ekavachanasya Mishataha Prayogaha Prachdhatu Dhatunasaha along with Prachdhatu. Prachdhatu original is Prachdhatu. In Latlakara, its rupam changes, becomes Prichati, Prachataha, Prichanti. It means what happened to the dhatu? Prach become Prich.
Samprasaranam.
Samprasaranam. When pra repa is there, repa becomes r in pr. Therefore, Samprasaranam. The sixth conjugation, this is. You will be seeing that later. So, whenever you like that, remember Samprasaranam. Prichati. Okay, you can repeat. Prichati, Prichataha, Prichanti.
Prichati, Prichataha, Prichanti.
Prichasi, Prichataha, Prichatha.
Prichasi, Prichataha, Prichatha.
Prichami, Prichavah, Prichamaha.
Prichami, Prichavah, Prichamaha.
Prachdhatu is Aupadeshika Dhatu, which is in the Dhatu Pata. Dhatu Pata is the Upadesha, as given by Panini Maharishi. Okay. What happens to the Dhatu? Samprasaranam happens. Therefore, Prach become Prich. In fact, from Prachdhatu only Prashna the word comes. What is Prashnaha?
Question.
From Prach only comes. By some what pratyaya, some krit pratyaya. Okay. Fine. Manjushataha. What is Manjushataha? Manjushataha kriyapadasya koshtatah karmapadasya cha uchitam rupam purayantu. What do you understand? It's given the translation. But anyway. Huh?
Table, box. Okay. Box.
What is the pradipadika? Manjushataha is that?
Manjusha.
Manjusha. Then what is Manjushataha? What vibhakti? What vachanam? Somebody Koshtataha.
7-1?
7-1. How 7-1?
Shaha should be from, right? So it is Panchami.
Very good. How do you know Panchami?
No, from that. So.
Oh, okay. Okay, that is fine. Now, this time you have become right, but not all the time. Okay. Don't take the English meaning. From is from. That will not work. Huh? Here, Manjusha is the Shabda. Manjusha, Akaranta, Srilinga Shabda. Manjusha means the table.
Table.
Koshta means that which is in Koshta bracket.
Okay.
Koshta is a Pradipadika. Okay, Manjusha is Trilinga. From the Manjusha, that is, okay, I'm just going by your Kriya. You select the Kriya Padam. So, what will be the Panchami of Manjusha Shabda?
Manjushayaha should have been.
Exactly.
Manjushayaha.
Instead of saying Manjushayaha, is adding one pratyaya called It's called tasil pratyaya. The content is tas. It's a okay. Now I ask question, you answer. Tas pratyaya. Listen carefully. Don't jump immediately into some conclusion. Tas pratyaya added to the pratipadikam manjusha. Then what pratyaya is this tas pratyaya?
Tadhita.
Louder.
Tadhita.
It is tadhita because manjusha is the pratipadikam. Pratipadikam manjusha plus tas. It is tas is, don't think tas is a suprataya. No. Don't think tas to be tip tasdi, not that tas also. You understand?
Yes.
Don't think tas to be tip tasdi, the not that tas. If it is that tas, I mean think tas, then it will be
Kriyapadam.
the resultant would be
Kriya.
Kriyapadam. Is it not? Is it a Kriyapadam here? No.
No.
Therefore, it is not Tinganta tas, and tas is not in sup, and tas is added to the Pratipadikam Manjusha. Therefore, it is a Tadita Pratyaya. Adding that, resultant will be a Pratipadikam, and here the resultant Pratipadikam is Manjusha plus tas, then Manjusha tas you get, right? Sakaranta Pratipadikam. But what happens is that this tas anta shabdas are avyayam, indeclinable, but it conveys the meaning of panchami. The Tadita Pratyaya special conveys the meaning of panchami. Therefore, suppose I say Ramaha Ayodhyayaha vanam gacchati. You remember that example I gave from Ayodhya, Rama goes to the forest. So instead of Ayodhyayaha, I can say Ayodhyayataha. Similarly, I can say Vidyalayataha, Balakaha, Griham Gacchati. From the school, the boy goes home. So you can use that. Don't try to decline this because this is indeclinable. Manjusha taha. The taha, you remember taha, that can be added to anything and conveys the panchami artha. You understand?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. This is a side point.
Charanji,
Not so important now. I'm just telling, yeah.
it's Ayodhyataha or Ayodhyayataha?
Ayodhya. What did I say?
You said Yataha.
Ayodhya is a pratipadikam, then taha. Ayodhya taha. Okay, not Ayodhya yataha. Okay, if I said it, it's wrong. Ayodhya, whatever pratipadikam, to that you add taha, you get the form. Naditaha. Naditaha sa graham gacchati. She goes from there, Nadi, Naditaha, Nadi plus taha, Naditaha, Ayodhya plus taha, Ayodhyataha. Manjusha plus taha, Manjushataha. So select the Kriya Padam from the table. And Koshtataha from the bracket. Karma Padasya cha. You select. Uchitam Rupam Purayantu. Okay. Uchitam Rupam, appropriate form. You Rupam Purayantu, fill in the blanks with the appropriate form, selecting the Kriya Padam from the table, from the box, and the Karma Padam from the Koshta, from the bracket. Okay, that is the meaning. Anyway, the Taha is there. As Taha you will see in many places. Just note, it gives Pancham Yartha. Fifth case meaning it gives. And it is Taditanta Padam, indeclinable. Only gives fifth case meaning. Okay. Now, please read. Who is the next person?
I have to read.
Yes.
Chatraha adhyapakam pruchati. Janakaha putram pruchati. Adhyapakaha pracharyam pruchati. Pracharyam is
Professor.
professor. Putri jananim pruchati. Avam sakhi pruchavaha. Sorry, pruchata.
No, correct only. What is it?
Yeah, correct. Yuvam janakaha pruchataha. Janakam, sorry. Yuvam janakam pruchataha. Te balakaha pruchanti. Vayam Sachivaha Pruchamaha.
No, hold on.
Sachivam.
Read number 7 again.
Te balakaha sevakam pruchanti.
Yes.
Okay, I said something
So
else.
te balakaha is those boys.
Those boys, yeah.
Sevaka is the karma, not balaka.
Yes. Vayam Sachivam Pruchamaha. Saha Prashnam Pruchati. Aham Shlokam Pruchami.
Okay, next person. 11 to 20. Who's the next person?
I think it could be me.
Sonali.
Yes.
Okay. So 11. Te katham prichanti.
Yes.
Then
You were
tvam,
not able to say the Manjusha.
yeah, tvam vartam prichasi. Yuyam.
Prichasi.
Yes.
Okay, I didn't hear. Okay. Varta is news.
Yuyam margam prithatha. Chhatrah artham prichhati. Balika uttaram prichhati. Avam niyamam pritchavah. Vayam adhyapikam pritchamah. Janah pariharam pritchanti. Dhanikah. What is dhanikah?
Wealthy person, rich man.
Dhan. Okay. Dhanikah sevakam pritchati. Apanikah grahakam pritchati. What is
Shopkeeper.
apani? Okay.
Shopkeeper.
Oh yeah, apani.
Grahaka buyer. Prichati. Abhyasaha 83. द्वितीयायाः एकवचनस्य प्रयोगाः विविधैः धातुभिः सह. Different dhatus. It's good. So 1 to 5 one person, or 6 to 10 another person can do. Next person is Prakashi, 1 to 5. Kriyapadam on the left side. Balaka is a karta. And we have karma on the right side. You have to choose appropriate karma based on the Kriyapadam. Please choose. Say the sentence. Prakashi.
Balakaha palam khadati.
No. Kriyapadam is okay. Palam. Yeah. Sorry. Yeah, it's correct. Yes.
Balakaha pustakam patati.
Okay.
Balakaha patram likati.
Yeah.
Balakaha dugdham pibati.
Yes.
Balakaha Doordarshanam pashyati.
Oh, it is 1 to 1, so there is no
Confusion.
easy. Next person, Shambhavi.
Balakah pushpam jigrati. Balakah pustakam nayati. Balakah modakam yachati. Balakah kridanakam anayati. Balakah geetam gayati. Kridanakam is the like say toys, yeah.
Kridanakam. I think all of you know the Kriya Padam and its meaning. Important.
Yes.
Akaranta Pullinga Shabdanam Trishu Vachaneshu Dvitiya Prayoga. So Pullinga Shabda, second case. Trishu Vachaneshu. Now the 3 numbers. Okay, please read the next person. Savitri.
ध्यान से पढ़िए.
Padiye.
पढ़िए.
That is Hindi.
Okay. Vayam किं पठामः वयं किं पठामः प्रथमा पाठं पठामः ओके वयं पाठं पठामः वयं मन्त्रं पठामः वयं समाचारं पठामः वयं अध्यायं पठामः
Vayam kim, when there is repetition, what and all we are reading. So it means you are reading more than one. Similarly, next one, please do this also.
Okay. Vayam paఠौ पठामः वयं मन्त्रौ पठामः वयं समाचारौ पठामः वयं समाचारौ पठामः वयं अध्यायौ पठामः
Bhagavachanam.
वयं पाठान् पठामः वयं मन्त्रान् पठामः वयं समाचारान् पठामः वयं अध्यायान् पठामः
Akaranta pullinga shabdanam Rishivachhaneshu Dvitiya Prayoga. Next person, Sonali. Oh, what did we read, no?
I'm not sure.
From the lesson, same.
Yeah, I think same, yeah.
Yeah. This, okay, anyway, we know, but just it is there. Simple exercise. Akaranta Shabda, Dvitiya Vibhakti, all the Vachanam. Okay.
Yeah.
You can read this knowledge.
Pathaha, Dvitiya Vachanam is Patham, Pathau, Pathan.
Dvitiya Vibhakti. Okay. Ekavachanam Patam, Dvivachanam Pato, Bhagavachanam Patan.
Yes, Vibhakti. Granthaha, Grantham, Granthau, Granthan. Samvadaha, Samvadam, Samvadau, Samvadan. Vidyalayah, Vidyalayam, Vidyalayam, Vidyalayau, Vidyalayam. Vidyalayan.
Vidyalayana.
Masaha means month.
Yes.
Masam, Masau, Masan. Saptaha.
Week.
Saptaham, Saptahau, Saptahan.
Saptaham, Saptaho, Saptahan.
Yeah. Divasaha, Divasam, Divasau, Divasan. Pakshaha, Paksham, Pakshau, Pakshan. Dinankaha, Dinankam, Dinankau, Dinankan. Shashakaha. What is this Russian?
Rabbit.
Oh yeah. Shashakaha, Shashakam, Shashakau, Shashakan. Mrigaha.
Prakashi. Let Prakashi read.
What is Dinankah?
Mrigaha. Mrigam, Mrigau, Mrigan. Shukaha, Shukam, Shukau, Shukan. Pikaha, Pikam, Pikau, Pikan. Kagaha, Kagam, Kagau, Kagaha. Hamsaha, Hamsam, Hamsau, Hamsan. Bakaha, Bakam, Bakau, Bakan. Apanaha, Apanam, Apanau, Apana, Apana, Apanan.
Apanam, Apanau,
No,
Apanan.
Shakataha, Shakatam, Shakatau, Shakatan. Chandraha, Chandram, Chandrau, Chandran. Apanikaha, Apanikam, Apanikau, Apanikan. Suryaha, Suryam, Suryau, Suryan. Vaidyaha, Vaidyam, Vaidyau, Vaidyan.
Any word?
Apanika. Apanikaha.
Shopkeeper.
Shopper.
Oh yes.
Okay.
Apanaha is shop.
Shop. Vipanim, market. Any other word?
Chakata is cart.
Yeah, cart. Okay, next one. Pullinga Shabdanam Dvitiya Ekavachan Bhagavachan Rupani. Okay, this is also simple. Shambhaviji.
Okay. So I have to do Dvitiya Vibhakti, right? For all the words.
Singular and plural. Ekavachanam and Bhagavachanam only.
Okay. Mantraha, mantram, mantrau, mantran,
Okay.
shlokam, shlokau, shlokan. Like this only, no? Okay, really?
It's okay. You can do. Yes.
Okay. Patham, pathau, pathan, adhyayam, adhyayau, adhyayan,
Adhyayam, adhyayau.
adhyayam, adhyayau, adhyayan, sorry,
No, no.
adhyayan,
Adhyayam, adhyayau, adhyayan.
adhyayam, adhyayau, adhyayan, nibandham, nibandhau, nibandhan, abhyasam, abhyasau, abhyasan, vishayam, vishayau, vishayan, niyamau, niyamau, niyamam, niyamau, niyaman, mayuram, mayurau, mayuran, shukam, shukau, shukan,
Okay. You can complete.
kukuram, kukurau, kukuran, kukuran, bidalam, bidalau, bidalan, vrishabham, vrishabhau, vrishabhan, shasham, shashau, shashan, meenam, meenau, meenam, meenan,
What is
You-
Bidalaha?
Bidalaha, cat.
Bidala, cat.
I had a question on that. Which one was that?
Nibandha.
Nibandhan.
Hmm?
Yes, Nibandha.
What is
Nibandha.
Nibandha?
essay.
Yes.
Essay? Yeah.
Yeah. Composition essay. Next person. Dvitiya Bhagavachana Prayogaha. Second case, plural usage. Yeah, please do. Savitriji.
Yes. Vayam Pathan Patamaha. Vayam Mantran Patamaha. Vayam Shlokan Patamaha. Vayam Adhyayan Patamaha. Vayam
Yes.
Nibandhan Patamaha.
Hmm.
Vayam Abhyasan Patamaha. Vayam Vishayan Patamaha.
Hmm.
Vayam Niyaman Patamaha. Vayam Granthan Patamaha. Vayam Koshan Patamaha.
Good. Next
Kosha.
one. Kosha is Shabda Kosha.
Okay.
Many are there, right? Kosha.
What's
Not
the
with the
meaning of
kosha.
kosha? Meaning of kosha?
Kosha is dictionary. You can take Shabda Kosha. Okay, because if something is read, so you can take Shabda Kosha. Shabda Kosha is dictionary.
Is it like a glossary?
Which one? Kosha.
Kosha, does it mean glossary?
What do you mean by glossary?
Glossary means a collection of words.
Yeah, that's a dictionary, yes.
Mhm.
If it is with the Kosha, bank. A collection of money. Abhyasa 88. Next person. Yeah, sonology.
Okay.
So here what you have to do is given Bhagavachanam. Koshtakata Shabdasya Dvitiya Bhagavachanam Prayujya Riktasthanani Purayantu. You can do. Yeah.
Vayam simhan pashyamaha. Vayam bhallukaha pashyamaha. This is bears, right?
Yeah, Ballukan. Okay.
Bhallukan pashyamaha. Vayam vyagran pashyamaha. Vayam vanaran pashyamaha. Vayam sarpan pashyamaha. Vayam gajan pashyamaha. Vayam gardabhan pashyamaha. What is this?
Donkey.
Gardabhan. Vayam kitan pashyamaha. Vayam vrishchikan pashyamaha. Scorpion.
Yes.
Vayam meenan pashyamaha.
This is what spoken Sanskritam is. Practicing this. Next one. Udaharananusaram Riktasthanani Purayantu. Here also same. Next person, Prakash ji. Palayamaha. Palayamaha means
Protect.
protect.
Yeah,
Yes.
this the Kita is insect.
Yeah.
Vayam Mayuran Palayamaha. Vayam Shukan Palayamaha. Vayam Kukuran Palayamaha. Vayam Bidalan
Bidala.
Bidalan
Bidalan.
Palayamaha.
Bidalan.
Bidalan. Vayam Rishabhan Palayamaha. Vayam Shashan Palayamaha. Vayam Meenan Palayamaha. Vayam Ashwan Palayamaha. Vayam Kopitan
Kapotan.
Kapotan Palayamaha. Vayam Kurman Palayamaha.
Kapota is
Kapota.
Pigeon. Pigeon.
Kurma.
Tortoise.
Right.
Kurmanga.
Now next one. Shambhaviji. Anayamaha means
Bringing.
bringing.
Call
Yes.
it. No.
Huh?
No, Ahvayama. Okay.
Anayama bring.
Not calling here. Anayama bringing.
Bringing.
Ahvami bring.
Ahvayama.
No. Anayamaha is
No,
different.
I know. I was thinking the other one would have been Ahvayamaha. I was just trying to say that.
Yes.
Nayamaha means taking.
Yes.
Hmm.
Carrying. Yeah. Then Anayati is bringing. Yeah. Okay. Read Shambhaviji.
Vayam Shakan Anayamaha. Vayam Dandan Anayamaha. Vayam Chamasan Anayamaha. Vayam Chashakan Anayamaha. Vayam Ghatan Anayamaha. Vayam Godhuman Anayamaha.
Godhuman.
Godhuman. This means
Wheat.
Okay, wheat. Vayam Tandulan Anayamaha. Vayam Shukan Anayamaha. Vayam Padapan Anayamaha.
What is Padapan?
Shoes or shoes or slippers?
It's interesting. Padapa. Yes. Shoes is one. Other one also, another meaning is a tree.
See.
But you cannot bring a tree, huh? You are bringing only slippers. Okay.
Vayam Padarthan Anayamaha.
Padartha is object. Yeah, best. Akaranta Srilinga Shabdanam Trisha Vachaneshu Dvitiya Prayogaha. Now Srilinga. Next person. Savitriji. Vayam Kim Kim Patamaha. You only read before Pulinga. No, Srilinga. Please read.
Sorry, I didn't know I was on mute. Vayam Katham Patamaha. Vayam Kavitam Patamaha. Vayam Suchanam Patamaha. Vayam Vartam Patamaha. Vayam Gitam Patamaha.
Okay. Now Dvivachanam.
Okay. So Avam.
Why Avam? Same
No,
Vayam
sorry,
only. Vayam
Dvivachanam.
Patamaha.
Okay. Okay. Dvivachanam for
Karma. Object.
karma. Yes. Okay. Okay. Vayam Kate Patamaha. Vayam Kavite Patamaha. Vayam Suchane Patamaha. Vayam Varte Patamaha. Vayam Gite Patamaha. Vayam Kathaha Patamaha. Vayam Kavitaha Patamaha. Vayam Suchanaha Patamaha. Vayam Vartaha Patamaha. Vayam Gitaha Patamaha.
So this is often confusing. You have to be careful. Because Kataha is with Visarga. So you may take that to be a Karta. In Srilinga, Dvitiya Vibhakti Bhagavachanam, Akaranta Shabda.
Yeah, Ramaha.
You will have Visarga. Rama Rame Ramaha.
Yes,
Ramam
Rama
Rame
Rame Ramaha.
Ramaha. So Pratama Bhagavachanam, Ditya Bhagavachanam, Akaranta, Strilinga form is same. The context you have to see. Patamaha is there, then how can be, Ramaha, Patamaha means,
Yes.
doesn't match. So there, Ramaha must be karma. So like that, you have to see the
Even
context,
the-
you have to, huh?
Even the Dvivachanam is the same.
Sorry?
Dvivachanam is also same in the first and second vibhakti.
Of course, yeah. If that is, many places it is same. More than Dvivachanam, sometimes it's Bhagavachanam comes, right? Then we get Dvivachanam you don't see. So only in Dvandva and all you see in the language Dvivachanam.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Or in the Bhashyam. Next one. Akaranta Srilinga Shabdanam Trishu Vachaneshu. In all the three. Now Srilinga. So we have done Pullinga. Now Strilinga. Please read it. Sonalaji. Vayam. Oh, okay. This is just now we read.
Same thing.
Next one here.
Katha, Katham, Kathe, Kathaha.
What vibhakti is this?
Second vibhakti.
Second, yeah.
Dvitiya, Karma Karaka.
Hmm.
Okay. Varta, Vartam, Varte, Vartaha. Lata, Latam, Late, Lataha. Sharada, Sharadam, Sharade, Sharadaha. Pathashala, Pathashalam, Pathashale, Pathashalam. Shalaha, sorry. Makshika. What is this, Sharanji?
Makshika is fly.
Oh, okay. Makshika, Makshikam, Makshike, Makshikaha.
Madhu Makshika means honeybee.
Okay, Madhu Makshika, yeah. Adhyapika, Adhyapikam, Adhyapike, Adhyapikaha. Balika, Balikam, Balike, Balikaha. Mahila, Mahilam, Mahile, Mahilaha. Aja, Ajam, Ajay, Ajaha.
Okay, next person. Oh, you can do. Come only from the five. Please do.
Edaka. What is this, Shanji?
Edaka is I think female sheep.
Okay. Edaka. Edakam, Edake, Edakaha. Kalika. Kalikam, Kalike, Kalikaha.
What is Kalika?
Is it like a... I don't know actually.
We have seen this before. You read this, all this. Kalika and all you read before. What is that? Bud. B-U-D.
Bud.
Oh, bud. Okay. Yeah.
Mottu Tamil. Kalika. Okay.
Shakha. Shakham, Shakhe, Shakhaha.
What is Shaka?
Branch.
Branch.
Hmm.
Amba. Ambam, Ambe, Ambaha.
Vatika, you know, must be knowing.
Yes.
Heavenly
Rishikesh
abode
Vatika.
of Rishikesh Ashram.
Yeah, where
sorry?
we were staying. Yes, where Shambhaviji is currently staying.
No,
Oh, you're in
I'm not in
Vatika.
Vatika. No. I am inside ashram.
Okay,
Inside
that's good.
ashram now.
Oh, you are staying outside, right? Before?
I was staying outside, but this time I am staying inside ashram.
Okay.
Yeah, I guess the short course people stay outside.
Oh. So Vatika is garden. Okay.
Yeah.
But Rishikesh Vatika is garden or not, I don't know. But this Vatika means garden.
It is garden of jackfruits.
Okay.
Yes.
Strilinga, Dvitiya, Ekavachanam, Bhagavachanam, Rupani. Okay. Prakashji. Simple one.
Mala, Malam, Malaha.
Hmm.
Kavita, Kavitam, Kavitaha. Katha, Katham, Kathaha. Varta, Vartam, Vartaha. Suchana, Suchanam, Suchanaha. Patrika, Patrikam, Patrikaha. Sanchika, Sanchikam, Sanchikaha.
What is Sanjika?
Keys, I think.
Key.
Sorry?
Key.
What?
Key.
Sanchi, bag. Sanchi.
Keys. No?
Key. That is Kunchika, not Sanjika.
Okay.
Key with what key? Only parrot, only key.
Sanchi. Sanchi.
That is Kunchika, not Sanchika. What Sanjika? That Kunchika it is, not even Kunjika. It is Chi. In Kunchika it is Chi, Chakara. Here what we have? Sanjika, file.
I think this is also chi, Sharanji. Sanchika.
No, Sanjika it is.
But they have written cha here.
Where?
Sanchika they have written, not.
Okay. Sanchika also it is not key. Sanchika also file only. Yeah. Sanchika or Sanjika, I think both are same. File only. Yeah. Sanjika maybe I told wrongly. Sanchika is file. In fact, Sanjika also is there. Something mark or something given. Anyway, Sanjika is file. In the computer we have file, no? In Word or Excel.
Yeah.
It's called Sanjika.
Pustika.
Next one.
What is Pustika?
Pustika is Pustaka, book only, Srilinga form.
Oh. Pustika, Pustikam, Pustikaha. Nalika, Nalikam, Nalikaha.
Nalika is?
Nalika.
Huh?
Faucet or drain?
What is that? Say it again.
Drain or faucet?
River.
It's not clear. Horse?
No,
No,
she's
no, no.
saying
She
tap.
said.
Faucet.
Tap,
Tap.
water tap.
Yeah, tap. Yeah, water tap. Yes.
Yeah.
Sharanji, in
Padarsha.
what context? Sorry, Prakash ji.
Oh,
In
no.
what context do we use Pullinga and Strilinga for Pustaka and Pustika?
There is no context. You can use anyone.
Oh, okay.
Padaraksha, Padaraksham, Padarakshaha. Churika, Churikam, Churikaha. Shaka, Shakam, Shakaha.
Okay. Next one. Srilinga Dvitiya Bhagavachan. Simple one. This is.
Srilinga Dvitiya Bahuvachanam. Okay.
Tvam
Kavitaha.
Patasi.
Okay, sorry. Yes. Tvam Kavitaha Pathasi. Tvam Suchanaha Pathasi. Tvam Kathaha Pathasi. Tvam Vartaha Pathasi. Tvam Patrikaha Pathasi. Tvam Pustikaha Pathasi. Tvam Sanchikaha Pathasi. Sanchikaha magazine. Tvam
Files.
Files. Okay. Tvam Bhashaha Pathasi. Tvam Kalaha Pathasi. Tvam Vinod Kanikaha Pathasi. What is
What is
this?
Vinod Kanika? Puzzle.
Look. Oh, puzzle. Okay.
Kala?
Huh? Kalaha is
Art.
arts.
Kala is what?
Kala is Kala only.
Vinodam. Magic.
Kalada means what? Arts. Ikaranta Srilinga Shabdanam Trishivachanesham. Vidya Bhakti. Yeah, you read. Are you getting this? Yuyam kim kim pashyata.
Yuyam pashyata. Yuyam nagarim pashyata. Yuyam nadim pashyata. Yuyam mayurim pashyata. Yuyam narim pashyata. Yuyam devim pashyata. Yuyam nagaryau pashyata. Yuyam nadyau pashyata. Yuyam mayuryau pashyata. Yuyam naryau pashyata. Yuyam devyau pashyata.
Devachan.
Yeah. Yuyam nagarihi pashyata.
Nagari.
Nagari.
Okay. Yeah. It's correct.
Nagarihi. Okay. Nagarihi. Nagari, nagarya. Nagarihi, yeah.
Yes, correct only. Yeah.
Nadi, for Nadi Shabda Nadihi. Okay. Yuyam Nagarihi Pashyatha. Yuyam Nadihi Pashyatha. Yuyam Mayurihi Pashyatha. Yuyam Narihi Pashyatha. Yuyam Devihi Pashyatha.
Yes. Ikaranta Srilinga Shabdanam Trishu Vachaneshu Prayogaha. Yes, you can do. Oh, okay, this already we did. Sorry. 94. Ikaranta Srilinga Shabdanam Dvitiya Rupani. Phonology. Simple one.
Okay. Nagari, Nagarim, Nagaryau, Nagarihi. Parvati, Parvatim, Parvatyau, Parvatihi. Kashi, Kashim, Kashyau, Kashihi. Mayuri, Mayurim, Mayuryau, Mayurihi. Devi, Devim, Devyau, Devihi. I can't read that word.
Okay. Nari, I think maybe, I'm not sure. You can read Nari.
Nari, Narim, Naryau, Narihi. And this is Kadambari?
Yes.
Kadambari, Kadambarim, Kadambaryau, Kadambarihi. Kaumudi, Kaumudim, Kaumudyau, Kaumudihi. Nalini, Nalinim, Nalinyau, Nalinihi. Rakshasi, Rakshasim, Rakshasyau, Rakshasihi. Shankari, Shankarim, Shankaryau, Shankarihi. Manini, Maninim, Maninyau, Maninihi. Nakharanjani, Nakharanjanim, Nakharanjanyau, Nakharanjanihi. Saraswati, Saraswatim, Saraswatyau, Saraswatihi. Vidyarthini, Vidyarthinim, Vidyarthinyau, Vidyarthinihi. Grahani,
Grihini.
Grahinim, Grahinim, Grahanyau, Grahanihi.
Srilinga. Ikaranta Shabdanam, Srilinga Shabdanam, Dvitiya, Ekavachan, Bhagavachan Rupani. Yes.
Nakharanjani is nail cutter.
Nail polish. Naka
Nail
is Naka.
polish.
Nail.
Okay.
Ranjanam is coloring. Coloring the nails. Nail polish.
Okay.
Okay. Prakashji.
Nakari, Nakarim, Nakar.
Right, Nakarin.
No, sorry. Nartaki, Nartaki, Nari, Narim, Narihi. I have to come here. Nadi, Nadim, Nadihi. Mayuri, Mayurihi. Nari, Narim, Narihi. Devi, Devim, Devihi. Nati, Natim, Natihi. Baganim, Baganim, Baganihi. Janani, Jananim, Jananihi. Putrim, Putrihi. Devi, Devim, Devihi.
No. Deviya Darvi.
Darvi, sorry. Darvim, Darvihi. Bhikshuki, Bhikshukim, Bhikshukihi. Rajakim, Rajakihi. Lekani, Lekanim, Lekanihi. Kartarim, Kartarihi. Anuragini, Anuraginim, Anuraganihi.
What does that mean, Sharanji?
Anuragini. Which one? Anuragini.
Yes.
Okay. Ragini means ranj. Ranj means to color. So Anuragani, Anuraga. Raga also means can take a note, music. So Anuraga, Anuragin. So Anuraga is also possible. Anuragin we can take. Anuraga means attachment. Anuragini, Asakti, that is meaning.
Oh.
Anuragini.
Okay. What is Rajaki?
Which one?
12. Rajaki.
Washerwoman.
Oh.
Anuraga comes in Gita. Anuraga, attachment.
Anuraga.
So bond, Anuragini.
Why do they name their child Anurag?
I was also
Very
having the same question.
Anurag Thakur, minister, right? Attached to not to worldly things, okay, to Bhavan also.
Yeah.
That meaning, Anuraga.
Lekani is pen, Ankani is pencil.
Yes.
And what is Darvi?
Ladle, spoon.
Chamas, Sarvi.
Strilinga Shabdanam, Ikaranta Strilinga Shabdanam, Dvitiya Ekavachana, Bhagavachana Rupa, next person.
Yes.
Yesha Akhvayati. Akhvayati we saw, meaning
Calling.
Yes,
calling.
calling.
Okay. Let's do summary.
Esha bhaginihi ahvanti. Esha
Akhvayati.
ahvati. Sorry, yes. Ahvati.
Akhvayati.
Wait.
I'm not hearing. Louder.
Wait. Ahvati.
Not
No,
Akhvati. Akhvayati.
Ahvayati. Ahvayati.
Yes.
Yes. Esha bhaginihi ahvayati. Esha prativeshinihi ahvayati. Esha karma
What is Prativeshin?
it is.
Prativeshinya is what is the Prativeshini? Neighbor.
Neighbor.
Your next door neighbor, okay.
Esha karma karya. This will be karma karyaha ahvayati.
Karma karyaha.
It is akaranta, so it will be an.
Akaranta. How do you Bhaginyaha is the Ikaranta. Karma karyaha is Akaranta. How is that? Okay, what about Prativeshinyaha? I didn't hear.
Esha prativeshinihi ahvayati.
The same thing here also. Karma karihi.
Okay. Sorry. Esha karma karihi ahvayati.
Karma karyau, karma karyaha. Karma karim, karma karyau, karma karihi. Karma karoti, worker.
Okay.
Okay. What about Putriyaha? Then you will say Akaranta Shabda.
No. Esha putrihi ahvayati. Esha mahishihi ahvayati. It's very difficult.
All are many Bhagavachanam. Not one Putri, many Putris. Okay. Similarly, many Mahishis. Mahishi is?
Mahishi is buffaloes
Ah.
or bull.
Yeah, Mahishi is buffalo, the female only, not bull. Okay.
Esha grihinihi ahvayati. Esha nartakihi ahvayati.
Akhvayati, not ahuvayati.
I will try.
Akhvayati. Akhvayati.
Ahvayati. Ahvayati. Esha nartakihi ahvayati. Esha natihi ahvayati. Esha sakhihi ahvayati. Esha tarunihi ahvayati.
Okay. Tarunihi. Okay. Next one. What is Kreenati, Savitri?
Kreenati is buying.
Buying. Vikrinati is selling. If you add V, then meaning changes. Please do.
Yeah. Sa lekanihi kreenati. Sa ankanihi kreenati. Sa chalanihi. What is chalanihi?
You are saying all this before.
Walker. Chalanihi kreenati.
What is that?
Chalanihi.
What's your walker? What walker?
No. Chalanihi. What is chalanihi?
Street walker.
No.
Chalani is sieve. Saladi.
Saladi, yeah, okay. Okay. Chalanihi Krinati. Sa
What is?
Velanihi.
What is
Velani.
Velanihi?
Velani. I don't know.
Like belan, what we make roti with.
Exactly. Yes. That chapati katta.
Okay.
Roller. It's called
Rolling
Velani.
Velanihi.
What is that?
Rolling pin.
Rolling. Yes.
Velanihi
Velanihi.
Krinati. Sa Darvi Krinati. Sa
Darvihi.
Darvihi Krinati.
Bhagavachanala.
Yes, yes. Sa Darvihi Krinati. Sa Akashavanihi Krinati. Radio.
Yes.
Sa Dinadarshanihi Krinati.
What is Dinadarshanihi?
Use daily
Calendar.
newspaper.
Oh, calendar.
Calendar. Okay. Sa Gatihi Krinati. Sa Suchihi Krinati.
Suchihi.
Is like needle.
Needle.
Sa Kesha Suchihi Krinati. It's like
What
a
is
comb.
Keshasu? Huh?
Comb.
No, hairpin.
Hairpin.
That's
Akaranta napumsakalinga shabdana. Napumsakalinga. Trishvachneshu dvitiya prayogaha. Okay. Next person. Now, napumsakalinga. Napumsakalinga, we know. Prathama and dvitiya forms are same. Sonalji, please read. Vayam kim kim patamaha.
Vayam kim pathamaha. Vayam vakyam pathamaha. Vayam vyakaranam pathamaha. Vayam patram pathamaha. Vayam pustakam pathamaha. Vayam kavyam pathamaha.
Vayam sanskritam patamaha. Yes.
Vayam vakye pathamaha. So this is Dvitiya Vachanam. Vayam
Dvivachanam, not Dvitiya Vachanam.
sorry, Dvivachanam. Yes. Dvitiya Vibhakti Dvivachanam.
Yes.
Vayam Vyakarane Pathamaha. Vayam Patre Pathamaha. Vayam Pustake Pathamaha. Vayam Kavye Pathamaha. Now Bahuvachanam. Vayam Vakyani Pathamaha. Vayam Vyakarani Vyakaranani Pathamaha. Vayam Patrani Pathamaha. Vayam Pustakani Pathamaha. Vayam Kavyani Pathamaha.
Yes. Next person. Akaranta napumsaka shabdanam dvitiya rupani. Easy one. Prakashji. Vakyam vakyani vakyani. Right?
Pustakam, pustake, pustakani, palam pale, palani, pushpam, pushpam, pushpe, pushpam, pushpe, pushpani,
Yes.
vimanam, vimane, vimanam, vimanani, vajanam, vajane, vajanani, netram, netre, netrani, vastram, vastre, vastrani. Little up, move up a little.
Okay.
Netram, vastram, vastre, vastrani, shariram, sharire, sharirani, vigyanam, vigyane, vigyanani, shastram, shastre, shastrani, dwaram, dware, dwarani, patram, patre, patrani, bhavanam, bhavane, bhavanani, sasyam, sasye, sasyani, parnam, parne, parnani.
You know all the meanings.
What is Sasyam, Sharanji?
Crop.
Tree. Oh,
Crop.
Sasyameva martya pashyate. Kathopanishad comes, right?
Yes, Kathopanishad.
Any other word? Vajanam, fan, all those things, you know. Okay. Napumsaka, Dvitiya, Ekavachanam, and Bhagavachanam. Yeah, quickly. All these are simple one. They are much familiar.
Vimanam, Vimanam, Vimane, Vimanani, पर्णं पर्णे पर्णानि, यन्त्रं यन्त्रे यन्त्राणि, पुष्पं पुष्पे पुष्पाणि, फलं फले फलानि, वस्त्रं वस्त्रे वस्त्राणि, नगरं नगरे नगराणि, यानं याने यानानि, गृहं गृहे गृहाणि, वनं वने वनानि, फलकं फलके फलकानि, पात्रं पात्रे पात्राणि.
This class is quite contrast to yesterday's class, right? Yesterday was too much. I mean, not for me, for you, I'm saying. And not, yesterday also not too much. I already repeated what I said before, summarized the technical things, a lot of. Now, this seems very simple. That's why this class is for Abhyasa. You're
What is
supposed to do in your
Yanam,
leisure.
Sharan? Yanam.
Yanam is vehicle. So you can say Relayanam, train, Karayanam, car, Basayanam or Lokayanam, bus. Okay.
And Phalakam?
Board. Shweta Palakam, white board. Harita Palakam, green board. Krishna Palakam, black board. Abhyasa 100. Napumsakalika Shabdanam Dvitiya Bhagavachana Prayogaha. Next person. Nayami. Nayami meaning?
Bring.
Bring.
Nayami meaning not bring.
I
Oh.
bring. I
Nayami.
take. I take.
I carry, I take. Anayami means I bring. Okay.
Okay.
You read. Sorry.
Aham pushpani nayami.
I
Aham-
take flowers. I carry flowers.
Okay. Aham patrani nayami. Aham vastrani nayami. Aham yantrani nayami. Aham chakrani nayami. Aham chitrani nayami. Aham rupyakani nayami.
Come.
Naya, aham nayami. Okay. Nidatu. And this is Krinati meaning?
Sell.
Correct.
Not
Sorry, buy.
Buy. Vikri is sell.
Yeah. Just now.
Krinati buy. Sa Krinati. What? Please read.
Sa phalakani krinati. Sa pustakani krinati. Sa
Pustaka.
sorry, yutakani. Sorry, I just yutakani krinati.
Yutaka is t-shirt.
Shirt. Okay. Yutakani krinati. Sa karam shukani.
Karam Shukani.
Karam shukani. Okay.
Huh?
Karam shukani.
What did you say?
No, nothing.
Karam Shukani means shirt. With that got hand.
One hand.
Full hand shirt.
Karam shukani krinati. Sa pustakani krinati. Sa kashtani krinati. What is kashta?
Wood.
Wood. Okay. Sa sadhana.
Kashtani.
Sa sadhanani krinati.
Sadhanani means some objects. Some
means
something. Some padatha, some tools.
Sa vatayanani krinati. Vatayana is
Window.
window. Sa yanani krinati. Sa vejanani krinati. Sa modakani krinati. Sa phalani krinati.
What is Vyajana, Sharanji?
Pan.
And
101. Dvitiya Bhagavad Vivachanasya Mishritaha Prayogaha. Okay. Who is the next person? Sonali, you.
Oh, okay.
Please see the sentence. Balo Arohataha. The different verbs are there. See whether you understand. Balo Arohataha means two boys climb. What do they climb? 2 trees. Vriksho Arohataha. Right? Two
Okay.
boys climb the 2 trees. So
Okay.
within the box is given Vrikshaha plus Vrikshaha, 2 Vriksha. You have to say that Dvivachanam of that karma of second case.
Okay. And in the box, they have given the first case.
Yeah, first case it's repeated, no? Therefore, you
Yeah.
have to make the Dvivachanam of the second case, because that is the object of the sentence. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. So it's Balau Vrikshau Arohataha. Tvam Ankanau Anayat.
Ankanyau, Ankini, Ankanyau, Ankanyaha.
Tvam
Right.
Ankanyau, yes. Anayasi. Saha Phale Khadati. Vayam Gramau Gachamaha. यूयम् आरक्षकौ पृच्छथ युवां लेखन्यौ आनयथः आवां पुस्तके पठावः भिक्षुकः बालिके पृच्छति ते शकटौ क्रीणन्ति. What is क्रीणन्ति?
Buy, just
buy.
a visa.
Yes, we saw that. Aham nanake dadami. Nanake means what, Charanji?
Nanaka means nanayam, that is coin.
Oh, nanake dadami. Bhavati asandau anayati. Chhatraha पीठे स्थापयति महिलाः पुष्पे धरन्ति महाराजः नर्तक्यौ आह्वयति भवन्तः ऊरुके क्रीणन्ति.
Uruka means trouser.
Okay.
So okay, now you can see all Kriya Padam you know.
Yes.
So Kriya Padams are important. Matching with the subject and object Bhivachan. Okay, simple one. Abhyasa 102. Trishulingeshu dvitiyayam sanya shabdanam vishritaha prayogaha. Next person. Prakashji. Saha, you have to write all in Dvitiya Vibhakti, singular. Saha Kavitam he has given. Fill in the blanks.
Kavitam, Saha Katam, Saha Grantam.
Not Saha, so every time you don't have to say. Saha Kavitam, Katam, Grantam.
Grantam, Patram, Shlokam, Cha Patati.
Yes.
Avam, Shlokau, Pustake, Adhyayau, Nibandhau, Kavite, Suchanecha, Likavaha. Saha, Manchaha, Bhavane, Gajau, Ashvau, Rikshau, Prasadau, Parvatau, Prasadau, Parvatau cha Arohati.
Saha Manchau, then Manchau Bhavane, Gajaha, Ashvau, Vrikshau, Prasadau, Parvatau cha Arohati. Arohati climbing. Okay, next sentence.
Tau
Arohata only here also.
Manchava or
Manchaha is a Bhagavachanam. Manchan.
Manchan, Tau, Manchan, Gajan, Ashwan, Vrikshan, Prasadan, Parvatan cha Arohitaha.
Yes. Please do next one.
Me?
Singular.
Tvam Graham.
No, Pradashani.
Oh,
number 5.
Pradashani. Tvam
Pradashanim. One. Singular.
Dutiya. Tvam Pradashanim. Tvam Jantushalam. Tvam Gramam. Tvam Kashim. Tvam Prayagam. Tvam Maturam. Ayodhyam cha Pashyasi.
Pashyasi. Tvam or word is not both.
Sir.
Not every time.
Yeah.
Yeah. Please read the next one, number 6.
Who, sir? Me?
Yeah, continue. Vayam Mrigham.
Vayam Grihe. Mandire.
Why Grihe?
Mandire.
It's all given in Bhagavachanam. I think Bhagavachanam. It's all in should be in Bhagavachanam. I think it says. Okay, Sanya Shabdanam Mishrita Prayoga. Okay. Griham is there, therefore you can use accordingly. Okay, Griham, sorry, Pradashani. Not Pradashani. That one we are doing, right?
No, we finished that.
Griham.
Oh, okay. Griham, okay, please do Griham. If it is
Both-
singular, singular. If it is dual, dual. If it is plural, plural, accordingly. So I am Griham only.
I am Griham. Mandiram.
Mandirani already given. Mandirani.
Oh, plural and also whatever is given.
Whatever is given, same thing.
Chatra Vasah Bhojanalayaha
No, it's
Gramaha.
Chatra Vasam, right?
Chatra Vasam.
Oh.
So we are not changing the this Vachanam, we are only changing the Vibhakti. Same Vachanam, different Vibhakti.
Vibhakti. Bhojanalayam. Bhojanalayam.
Yan, right? No?
Bhojanalayan. That is why I said Vachanam is not same.
Oh, okay.
Vachanam also, whatever given the bracket, the same according to that.
Graman.
Yes, Bhojanalayaha, it is there, Bhagavachanam. Therefore, Bhojanalayan.
No.
And
Nagariyaha. Nagaryan.
Nagaryana.
Nagarya.
Nagarihi.
Nagarihi is a Shabda. Nagari Shabda. Nagarihi.
Nagarihi.
Cha Pravishamaha.
Cha
We enter. Last one. Te Patanti.
Te patan. Patan. Kadambari. Patrikan. Lekan.
Patrika, no, Patrika, only. Because Srilinga, Patrika. Bhagavachanam, Patrika.
Patrikaha. Lekaha.
Yes.
Vakyani. Kataha.
Kataha only.
Kataha. Cha pataddi.
Okay. Sarvanama Shabdanam Ditiya Prayoga. Now, pronouns using. I think this is, Aham, Tom, Yuam, Yuyam, Sagatote, Bhavanti. I think we did. We have completed this. We can stop here. So we have done 200 pages of this book. Okay. It's not it is over means finish means finished. You can always go back and then read again to have more familiarity. Okay, I think we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidham Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti 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 Harihi Om Shri Gurubhyo Namaha Harihi Om Dhanyavadaha.
Dhanyavada.
Dhanyavada, Acharya.
Dhanyavada, Sharanji.
Dhanyavadaha.